No doubt this is a global landmark moment. We can live successfully through and beyond such upheavals as pandemics and be an answer of hope to the world around us. We have a spirit, we have a soul, and we live in a body. We are called to love God with all our heart, all our soul, and all our strength. Yet too often we ignore, shun, or shame our humanity. In a world where perfectionism controls so much of our personal and professional social narratives, we need to make friends with our humanity. There is a direct correlation between our success in times like pandemics and our spirit, soul, and body well-being. Come join us.